Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the task precisely, what outcome is required and which concepts matter most. Once that's clear, pick 3-5 concise keywords and combine them with operators like quotes or cite to narrow results. Make sure to include file type, PDF for lecture notes or cite, Edu for course materials. This improves relevance. Don't waste time on vague searches. Frame the question so Google returns context-rich sources you can read, understand, and then adapt into your own work. Next, scan results for credibility. Look for Edu, Gov, textbooks, or reputable blogs. Once you open a page, use Ctrl+F to jump to relevant sections and extract formulas, definitions, or sample problems. Compare at least 2 independent sources to confirm accuracy. If they differ, dig deeper or consult a textbook. Annotate the parts you'll paraphrase and note citations. This process helps you learn the how and why, not just copy and answer, so you can explain your work. Finally, attempt the problem using the extracted methods. Apply steps, show work, and write a short explanation. Once done, verify by testing special cases or plugging numbers back in. Make sure units and signs are correct. If you remain stuck, ask a focused question on a study forum or message your instructor, including what you tried. And if searches stop returning useful links, clear cache or rephrase with synonyms. This often refreshes results and reveals new sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.